Good morning. Welcome to Goodwill Commodities. In this video presentation, we are going to see how we can trade in MCX crude oil today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. Whenever I place the cursor on any particular candlestick, you can see the date and time below. You can see this red color candlestick that indicates yesterday's price opening, which shows that the market opened somewhere around 6,290s. What we expected yesterday was, on coming to the conclusion after seeing the previous day's price action, which showed that the market closed near 6,320, and what we expected was, we expected that the price opening will be somewhere near 6,320, and we don't want to take this 6,320 very easily. So if the price was staying constantly above 6,320, then we expected that the market can produce buying. If the price is going to come back, or if the price is going to test the bottom zone of 6,260s in this particular area, we clearly indicated that it is going to be the 50-50 zone for both buyers and sellers. Again, if the price is coming down, it will induce selling. That was our clear expectation. On the price opening, this is the reason why we are providing our wonderful day trading charting tool. So it has got the ability to give you an alert signals in the term of trade signals, like it can show you blue color if there is any buying momentum, or it can show you red color if there is any selling momentum. So on the price opening itself, our charting tool had indicated that the market momentum is likely to be on the selling side. So what happened after that? It consolidated here for a while. So we want to make it very clear that we had designed this charting tool in such a way that it can take into account all the support, resistance, pivot points on its own. So it is not providing you a signal without any reason. You can go to our website, online commodity trading mcx.com, and in that tutorial session we had posted a tutorial which clearly explains you why this charting platform is providing a signal and how it is generating the signal, on what basis it is generating a signal. So if you have any doubt, you can go and refer that also. So after the price opening, you can see straight away the price came down and tested the key area. This was the area where we expected the price to have 50-50 probability for both buying and selling. Why? We had explained it in our earlier presentation so many times, because this was the very testing area, and we identified this as a trend deciding area also. So here you see it got a breakdown. So right from the price opening, our charting platform clearly indicated that the momentum for buying is very difficult, and it was in the selling side. So what happened after that? You can see it came down again. There was some buying, and that pushed the price up and tested this 6,260 zone, where now it is going to act as a resistance. So you can see so many times there was some buying, and the price is bouncing back and testing it again and again. But finally what happened, you can see after a long consolidation the market came down. So here the next support zone, the price came down and tested the next support zone. After a breakdown, you can see that straight away the price was testing all the expected bottom support zones. So slowly and steadily it was a continuous drop. You can see the price continuously was dropping and testing all our support zones. So we want to mention it again also. So we are drawing these support and resistance lines. If you are a continuous follower of our presentation, you may know that before the price action happens, we identify key support and resistance zone, and we do it manually with our experience. So you can notice that yesterday was completely dominated by the sellers, and the price closed around 6,140. So we want to make it very clear for all our viewers. What we are providing in the video presentation is called the price flow analysis. So we analyze the price flow, we analyze the open, high, low, close analysis, and we come to a conclusion what can possibly happen. And we are providing this charting tool also, so that it can assist you to position yourself in very good trading entries. So these were the two reasons why we are posting our video presentation, and also we are providing this charting tool. For example, if we thought of buying, let me say that, for example, let us assume that since the price closed higher on the previous day, you want to go for a buying, but since the price opening, our charting platform indicating a red color, that signals you that you should think about your decision, and or you should wait for entering into your trading decision. So that is a major plus in using this charting platform, coupled with the video analysis what we are providing. So that can help you a lot in trading. So if we go back and see the open high low close analysis, yesterday's price opening, when you compare with the previous day's price opening, it's bit higher. On 16th you can see this was the price opening, and the yesterday market price opening was bit higher, but the opening was when we compare the price opening with the previous day's price closing, it is bit lower. So that is one possible reason why there is some initial selling was induced. If you see the low, there is no doubt the market had created a very new low, and if you compare the price closing with the previous day's price closing, that is it is very clear the price closed very lower, and it created, I think it had created a new low for this particular contract. So what we can do today, that's going to be the next part. So what we can do today, if you see the international pricing or the NYMEX price direction, we can expect the price to open somewhere near 6160s. So this was the area we can expect the price to open. And again, I want to make it very clear that we are posting this video presentation very earlier, before the market opening, and also we cannot take into account the rupee factor. So only based on the NYMEX price direction we are predicting the price opening. It shows that the market opened around 6160, which means it's going to open near the key resistance zone. So till what extent you can go for selling, this is going to be the next question, because yesterday's market dropped a lot. Now let us go and see the low that was created on the past few weeks. So if you go and see that this was the area, the low was created around 11th of October. This was the low that was created on 11th of October. So what we can do is that, if you have enough potential in your trading account, that in terms of funds, if you have enough funds, till 6200 and this zone, this resistance zone, till this resistance zone you can go for selling, because the price fluctuations are very high. Why we want you to because if the price is opening here till this zone, I want to mark this zone. So this is going to be the next area where which we will be targeting. So if you continuously follow our presentation, we will be accurately predicting the key areas, the key zone where you should concentrate more on that particular area. So, and the reason behind that also, you know that this was the low, and from this low the market had gave a lot of bounce back. And here if you identify this, after dropping till 6172, market gave a bounce back and again formed this as a resistance. So this should be the proper resistance zone for crude oil traders. Till this zone you can go for selling. If the price is reacting above this zone, I can tell you our charting platform has got the potential to indicate you if there is any buying happening in between. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session. And we had marked the next bottom support zone 6072. If the trend continues to be down, the market will test 6072, and the next bottom support zone is going to be 6032. I had not marked this zone for your because nowadays the price volatilities are very high, so I can provide you this also 6032. So these are the two areas where the price can target if the trend continues. We want to make it clear, till this zone you can go for a selling. If the price is reacting above this zone, then you should wait and wait for a clear confirmation to take a trading decision. Thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.